Hello everyone, welcome to the video lecture series on chemical process plant design and economics. Myself, Jaimin Pandya, Assistant Professor in Chemical Engineering Department of LJIET Institute of Engineering and Technology. So let's continue with the chapter Process Auxiliary and Utilities. So in this lecture, we'll talk about the various types of valve such as a ball valve, plug valve, butterfly valve, selection criteria for various types of valve, and then we'll talk about process control and instrumentation control system design. So let's talk about ball valve. Ball valve is the one type of rotational motion valve which used to start, stop and throttle the flow. The valve uses a ball-shaped disc with hole in it. When valve is open, the whole of disc is turned in line with the direction of flow. When the valve is closed, the ball is rotated so that the hole is perpendicular to the flow of direction. So let's consider this is the one type of ball valve. This ball valve, which contain various types of accessories, in which there is a ball type disc which contain hole in it. When the valve is open, this hole is direction in line of flow. But when valve is closed, this direction of this hole is perpendicular to the flow. So flow cannot pass through this valve. Let's take a look of cross section of this ball valve. So this is the one type of cross section of the ball valve which contain various types of accessories such as a spring washer, graphite ring, metallic sleeve, handle nut, valve body, then seal ring, washer, ball disc. So this all type of accessory are used to make the ball valve. Now let's talk about various advantages and disadvantages of ball valve. So there are various advantages of ball valve. Ball valve is a less expensive as well as ball valve is a low maintenance cost valve which has low torque. It's also used for the quick action and can say that ball valve take quick action such as the quick on and quick off. This is a compact valve compared to other valve and no lubrication required for the ball valve, and it provide tight sealing toward the pipeline. So it's a less chance to the leakage. So this is all advantages of ball valve. Now let's talk about various disadvantages of ball valve. A ball valve is a relatively poor for throttling process, so it's not mostly used for the throttle the flow, or can say that it's mostly used for the on-off control system. Throttling lead to the seal erosion in this valve. That's why ball valve is mostly used for the on-off control. So this is all about various advantages and disadvantages of ball valve. Now let's take a look how the ball valve is a work. So this is a ball valve which connected in pipeline. A ball valve is used to permit flow across the pipeline. This is the inlet side pipeline and this is the outlet side pipeline. When valve is open, flow is allowed to pass through this ball valve. When valve is closed position, it stops the flow. So there are various parts which used in ball valve and it is necessary to understand various parts of this ball valve. So this ball valve contains a body, so this yellow type body in which there is a disc which contains a hollow shape. So this disc is a shape of ball, that's why this valve is known as the ball valve. This disc is connected with the stem, so using this stem can operate this ball. So let's see this how the stem is connected in ball valve, or can say that ball disc, and this stem is connected with the handle. So using this handle can easily move the disc, and can say that using this handle can easily start and stop the flow. So this is all about ball valve. Now let's talk about next valve which is a plug valve. Plug valve is also rotational motion valve which used to stop and start fluid flow. The disc is solid trap or cylindrical plug with a bore passage at the right angle to the longitudinal axis of plug. When the open, the plug line up with the inlet and outlet port of the valve body. The plugs are either round or cylindrical with the taper. Plug valve are easy to adapt. So this is one type of plug valve which contain a plug shaped disc in which there is a hole. When the valve is open, this hole is in direction of this passage so that flow can easily pass from this plug. When valve is closed, this hole is perpendicular to the flow. That's why flow cannot pass from this plug. So this is all about working of plug valve. Now let's talk about various advantages of plug valve. Plug valve have a simple design with few parts. Plug valve open and close easily, except the large dimension plug valve cannot easily open and close. Maintenance and repair of the plug valve can be done at the place of operation. Plug valve have a low flow resistance compared to other valve. Plug valve provide less leakage in pipeline. That's why plug valve is mostly used compared to gate valve. So this is all about various advantages of plug valve. Now let's talk about various disadvantages of plug valve. Because of high friction, first movement require a large amount of force in plug valve. So this is the one type of disadvantage of plug valve. When plug valve used in larger dimensions, it requires gearbox or actuator. Plug valve transmits are narrow flow due to the conical plug, or generally plug valve costs are much higher than the ball valve. So this is the disadvantage of plug valve. Now let's take a look how the plug valve is a work. So this is a plug valve which feed in pipeline. This is a hole which in line with flow when the plug valve is open. When plug valve is closed, this hole is perpendicular to the flow direction. So this is the one type of plug valve which fit in pipeline. Now let's talk about various other type of valve, which is a butterfly valve. Butterfly valve is a one type of rotational motion valve that can be used in off, on and throttle system. They are quick and easy to operate. The flow control element is on either vertical or horizontal axis, is open when the handle is rotated 90 degree and closed when the valve is turned at additional 90 degree. So this is disc of butterfly valve which acts as a flow control element. It's either in vertical mode or either in horizontal mode. When the valve is open, this disc is moved toward the 90 degree angle, and valve is closed, then this disc is moved again 90 degree angle. So these valves are mostly used for the throttling of system or on-off pipeline system. So this is all about working of butterfly valve. Now let's talk about advantages of butterfly valve. A butterfly valve is a compact valve and can say that it is in simple design and affordable design, which contains lesser parts which make it maintenance friendly and convenient to repair. It can transfer mud with negligible fluid deposit in a pipeline outlet. They achieve good sealing at the lower pressure and open shut easily. It contains lightweight disc compared to ball valve and plug valve. Butterfly valve need much less structural assistance than ball valve and other type of same diameter valve. So this is all about various advantages of butterfly valve. Now let's talk about various disadvantages of butterfly valve. A butterfly valve has certain part of disc always face the flow, even when completely open. The operation of butterfly valve always lead to be a pressure switch over the valve in respective of setting. It has poor sealing function. Butterfly valve is provide poor sealing function. Throttling valve employed by butterfly valve is a restricted to lower pressure drop system. Possible cavitation and shock flow is worry when the butterfly valve is performed. So this is all about butterfly valve, various advantages, disadvantages on working of butterfly valve. Now let's take a look how the butterfly valve is a work. So this is the butterfly valve which attach in pipeline. This butterfly valve is open at 90 degree angle, so can flow easily pass through this valve. If moved towards the other degree angle such as a 45 degree or other degree angle to throttling of flow. When it again move to the 90 degree angle, it's a close the flow. So this is all about butterfly valve. Now let's talk about various selection criteria of valve. So let's talk about first gate valve. Gate valve are generally used in system where low flow resistance for fully open valve is a desire and there is no need to throttle of the flow. So gate valve are mostly used for the on-off control and there is no requirement of throttle of flow. Now let's talk about the next valve, which is a globe valve. Globe valve are used in system where the good throttling characteristic and lower seal leakage are desired. A relative high head loss in open valve is acceptable. So globe valve is only used when the good throttling characteristics are required in pipeline with low seat leakage. So now let's talk about next type of valve, which is a ball valve. Ball valve mostly used for the quick action of on-off operation and have poor throttling characteristics. So it's not used for the throttling characteristics. Now let's talk about next type of valve, which is a plug valve. Plug valve are used to direct the flow between several different ports through use in a single valve. Diaphragm valve and pitch valve are generally used in system where it is desirable for the entire operating mechanism to be completely isolated from the fluid. So diaphragm valve or pitch valve mostly used for the transportation of corrosive material. Now let's talk about butterfly valve. Butterfly valve provides significant advantage over other any types of valve, such as butterfly valve has a low weight, low space requirement and low cost compared to other valve applications. So this is all about the various types of valve. Apart of this, there are various other type of valve also, such as safety relief valve and pressure relief valve. Pressure relief valve mostly used for the transportation of gas purpose, or can say that relieving pressure of gas system, where safety relief valve is mostly used for the relief of pressure of liquid material or transportation of liquid material. So this is all about various selection criteria of valve. Now let's talk about the process control and instrumentation control system design. Automatic process control in continuous production process is a combination of control engineering and chemical engineering discipline that use industrial control system to achieve a production level of consistency, economically and safety, which could not be achieved purely by the human manual control. It is implemented widely in industries such as oil refinery, pulp and paper industries, and chemical processing industry and power generating plant. So this is all about the process control and instrumentation control system design. So in this lecture, talk about various type of valve such as a ball valve, plug valve, butterfly valve, then talk about selection criteria of all type of valves such as a globe valve, gate valve, pitch valve, diaphragm valve, then talk about the process control and instrumentation control system design. So I am completing my lecture here. Thank you.